Hey, what's up? Welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my signature flat iron waves, and I have mixed it up a little bit on how I do these, so I thought it might be helpful if I show you guys how I do it. Also, I just remembered I forgot my hair clips, so BRB. We have a couple tools that I'll be using today. Got my clippies. Oh, also I have this. Forgot it was in my hair. This is Stevie's, but I mean, I can't say I hate it. In fact, I kind of like it a lot. But I'm going to be using these hair clippies. I have a very high quality Revlon straightener that my husband bought me because it has a timer and it shuts off on its own. Now, this is great because do I ever remember to turn a curling iron off ever? Literally no. But also, this has really enabled me because it turns off by itself. And so, sorry Chad, but this is your fault. You did this to me. Anyway, this is my straightener. I've had it for seriously like 8 years and it's been great. I'm also going to be using, this is the dry shampoo I use. It's the Monate. And then I have this texture spray, working texture spray. This is Kristen S. This is just from Target. I love this texture spray because I have really like fine and like obviously like not voluminous at all hair. So that gives my hair a little bit of grit and something for like an iron to kind of stick to. And then also this very high quality hairspray that I purchased recently. I don't even know if this is good, but this is what I have. Normally I just use whatever Chad has in here. But he likes kind of like a more pliable, like surfer hair kind of look. And I kind of like the more crunchy, like the crunchier look, if that makes sense. First gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I got a haircut and I just let my hair air dry. And I kind of like how it looks air dried. It's fun. I've just really been embracing that the last couple years, how my hair air dries, and I don't really regret it. I like it. But I'm just gonna piece off a couple of these like this, and then like one more section in the back too, like this section. Like that. So I really love this method for giving my hair some volume, but it doesn't look curly. It's more of a wave, but it kind of looks curly. It's fun anyway, depending on how you do it. But I love this because I can really like manipulate the hair how I want it to go. I'll kind of show you what I mean. So I'm just gonna start up here. So I start up here at the root, and then I can really give this a lot of lift. Like right here, look, I'm getting like so much more volume just from that one little piece that I did. And so I go like that, and you're just constantly moving this, and then I lift it up and then go the other way. And same thing all the way down, like this. So you can see we can get a lot of volume, and then I can also kind of do whatever I want with the end. So if I want the end to be like more like curled in like this, I can do that. But I always like to just flare them out at the end because that gives me a lot of volume like kind of at the bottom, which I like. I like how it gives that wavy and then like the flared out, kind of like a 20s bob, you know? Seriously, this is so fast and easy to do. And so like down here, see, I'm just gonna flare out those pieces a little bit. And then on the bottom, I don't worry too much. Like you can see these are getting a little bit square, but you can always go back over and kind of like round them out a little bit more so it's not like, you know, straightener square. And again, I'm starting right here at the base. And that's how I start most of my pieces, is like this and really lifting at the root. But then you'll see once I get into these like sections up here, I will start and do it the other way just so they're not all like exactly the same. Like all the waves aren't exactly the same. I want them to be like a little bit different so it looks more natural. So like I might even do that right here. Just go start the other way. See, and then I have like my waves aren't all going in the same direction. Now, if you want like a really like 3-barreler looking crimp, then you will just do this a lot closer. So let me show you. So these ones, I like this like really wavy, like I took a 3-barreler to my hair. I like that. But if you want it to be more of like a big wave, then you would just take your hair and you just slide this for longer. So like slide it, and then you can make these really big waves like this. So you can see like how much bigger that is than like these little. I like this look a little bit more just because it gives my hair a little bit more volume, but you can kind of mess with it depending on the length of your hair and what you want it to look like. If you want those waves to be like a lot bigger, you can see this gives you almost like more of a curled look than if you do the like really close together like this. And so as I get up towards the crown of my hair too, I want to get a lot more volume up here. So I'm just going to kind of redirect this hair up this way and really lift so I can get a lot more volume up there. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this Kristen S texture spray. And with this stuff, you like spray it on and then just kind of let it sit for a minute, and then you can kind of like scrunch it up a little bit. But you have to let it like dry a little bit first. And then we'll just spray it. And again, I really like these pieces down here, or this stuff down here, to be like really piecey and like have a lot of volume out this way. So I kind of mess with these a little bit so they're like sticking out. And then if I need to like touch up any of them, you can do it really easily with your straightener. And then I always like to do a little tuck behind the ear. That's that. Super easy. Let me know if you try it out. Hope you like it.